Good morning, this is RVer Frank. Yesterday I stopped work on the loft storage deck when it got to 90 degrees around noon. I started work out here at 3 this morning and finished painting and starting assembling the storage racks with some work yet to do. It's going to be another hot day and it hasn't cooled down much overnight. It's 85 degrees. I need some more wood, so today may just be a day to get supplies and start work again at midnight tonight until noon, or when it gets too hot to work up in the loft area. I'm going to get the trailer hitched up and get on down the road to Lowe's Building Supplies. Let's check out these new gates. Pretty nice. Well, it's after 3 a.m. and I'm still waiting for it to cool off out here. But it's still 88 degrees. I got the wood up here, and now I need to get it painted. Then I can finish up the rack assembly. It has been a long night, but I've made a lot of progress. I installed the overhead shop lights and completed assembly of the storage racks. I still have to install gusseting and mending plates to add strength to the build. Let's go up and take a look around. Okay, well let's head off to Lowe's and get that hardware and get back to work tonight. I thought I would repurpose this old slingshot to help with a more stable camera shot. We'll see how it works out. Well, all of the stuff stacked along this wall is now gone. All of the stuff under the Flair is gone. This water heater isn't going to connect itself, so this will be the next project to keep me busy. At last, all of this stuff is now up on the loft storage deck shelves. The park's tool crib is now completed and organized. All gusseting reinforcements have been applied. I like how there's a place for everything. Some of this may go out into the workshop as well. We'll see what works best. Let's take a look upstairs. Having loft access stairs is so much safer carrying the storage stuff up there instead of a ladder like we had in California. Although it looks pretty full up here, there are several empty containers and tubs for future use, and it could stand a little more organization. About 25% of this stuff will go out into the workshop, like power tools and painting materials, which will free up space. That opening in the handrail enables me to slide storage item containers in or out up here. Overall, I'm extremely pleased with the outcome and achieved all of my garage organization goals. Now it is on to the next set of projects and to get this RV license registration in Utah done to start planning some time for recreation. Thanks for watching and your past encouraging comments getting through this effort. Oh, I managed to find some time to build this wall rack for the compressor, hose reel, and a separate shelf for oil, wax, and cleaning supplies. Some of this may go out into the workshop, not yet built until next month out in the backyard. Of course, that will be a subject of another video. Stay tuned.